In this video, we'll be looking at calculating 25%, 50% and 75% of a number. To find out any percentage of an amount, we can use our knowledge of 50%, 10% and 1% as starting points. In this video, we'll focus on using 50% as a starting point. If I know how to work out 50% of a number, then I can work out 25% of a number. And I can then use 25% of a number to work out 75% of a number. I'm going to go through 4 examples of finding these percentages for 4 different numbers. If you'd like to have a go at these yourself before we go through them, pause the video and press play when you're ready. So let's look at example 1, 50% of 400. To work out 50% of a number, we half it, which means divide it by 2. So 400 divided by 2 is 200. So 50% of 400 is 200. So now that we know what 50% of 400 is, we can find 25%. To find 25% of a number, we find 50% and then half it again. So 200 divided by 2 equals 100. So 25% of 400 is 100. So now that we know what 25% of 400 is, we can find 75%. To find 75% of a number, we multiply the 25% amount by 3. So 100 multiplied by 3 is 300. So 75% of 400 equals 300. Here is the next example, 50% of 60. First, we work out 50% of 60 by halving it. 60 divided by 2 is 30. So 50% of 60 is 30. So now that we know what 50% of 60 is, we can find 25%. To find 25% of a number, we half it again. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 25% of 60 is 15. So now that we know what 25% of 60 is, we can find 75%. To find 75% of a number, we multiply the 25% amount by 3. So 15 times 3 is 45. So 75% of 60 is 45. Here's the next example, 50% of 840. First, we can work out 50% by halving it. 840 divided by 2 is 420. So 50% of 840 is 420. So now that we know what 50% of 840 is, we can find 25%. To find 25%, we half it again. 420 divided by 2 is 210. So 25% of 840 is 210. Now that we know what 25% of 840 is, we can find 75%. To find 75% of the number, we multiply the 25% amount by 3. So 210 multiplied by 3 is 630. So 75% of 840 is 630. Here's the last example, so let's start by doing 50% of 26. To find 50%, we half it. 26 divided by 2 is 13. So 50% of 26 is 13. Now that we know what 50% of 26 is, we can find 25%. So we half it again. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So 25% of 26 is 6.5. So now that we know what 25% of 26 is, we can find 75%. To find 75% of a number, we multiply the 25% amount by 3. 6.5 multiplied by 3 is 19.5. So 75% of 26 is 19.5. Using what you have learnt in this video, can you use this method to work out 75% of 86? Let me know your answer in the comments section.